We are raising Voyagers. We are currently building a tiny house on wheels, attempting to fit our family of 4 in 89 square feet of living space. In today's video, it's finally time to cut out our first window.
All right, so today we're gonna be working on the shower. We got the shower pan in yesterday. Are you drilling holes in the van?
I'm drilling a hole in the roof.
What are you doing?
What do you mean you're drilling a hole in the van? Why'd you do that?
I don't know.
Push real hard, push hard.
Oh my goodness, you did it!
I did, Chloe. My turn. Here, Chloe.
Here, you can have yours on, Alexa, and she can have these ones. All right, Chloe, come stand right here. And you see this trigger right here? Do your hands don't fit around the trigger?
Oh, you might have to
I do
help.
all by
Okay,
myself.
squeeze it real hard.
Woo!
Go on. Chloe, look.
I did all by myself.
You did it all by yourself. Good job.
Mommy's turn.
I feel like they did better than me.
Oh shoot, I forgot. The window goes over there.
It says cut first.
Gotta put lots of holes in it.
Why?
Well, the holes are gonna be the lines that we're gonna cut out. Careful, those are sharp.
See.
Yep, you're gonna see real good in a minute, okay? Pretty
So
cool,
we
huh?
have to connect all the holes together?
Have you ever done a connect the dot drawing? That's what this is. We're making the dots, and then we're gonna go outside, connect the dots, and then we'll draw it out
No, you're not.
with a saw.
With a saw.
And you know what the trick is?
What?
Pretend like you've done this like 1,000 times before, even though you've never done it before.
That's my first time I've ever drawn a hole in the van.
Yeah, me too.
My first time too.
No, you put a hole in it yesterday.
My first time too. Hi. Want to come over to our window? Our window's our house. Because we're in our house car.
What'd you do?
Out of battery.
Out of battery. Well, I guess there are worse problems we could have. What is it, Alexa?
See holes from the back.
Oh my goodness! Holes in the backside. Daddy poked holes in the van.
Chloe, do you want to do any more?
Yeah. Now we'll want to go to our window?
Yeah. You need to give me a little van tour, Chloe.
This is me electric window.
This is your window.
Yeah. Oh, one, two, seven,
Don't touch him, remember.
left.
Wow. You can see Daddy poking through.
Oh my goodness, I made a mess.
No, you didn't.
All those holes, huge mess.
I wanted to hold it.
Oh, you want to hold the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Chloe cam. Zoom, zoom. Chloe, what are you doing?
I'm going to you.
Okay, roll to me. Chloe, you're gonna get your outfit all dirty.
Yeah.
You're gonna get your beautiful dress and your coat all dirty.
And it got me dizzy.
It got you dizzy?
Just drawing a line off of these holes, and then we'll cut to that line. Woo! Ouch, that's hot. So I feel terrible because we are working on this project in a neighborhood. And the cutting out of the windows is crazy loud because this is basically a metal drum, and you're smashing against it with a saw blade. So we have some extra sound dampener, and that should take some of the noise out. And then we can just use it for the other windows when we cut those.
Come on, Chloe. Daddy's trying to cut a window in the van.
Might be noisy, Alexa. Do you want your earmuffs?
It's okay.
Woo! That's loud.
That's noisy. Sorry, everybody.
Sorry, everyone. At least it's not super early in the morning.
Ooh, splatters you hot pieces of metal.
Oh, that's not good. You need more clothing on?
Wow, that hurts. You get long sleeves on. There's too many people watching. All the neighbors are out enjoying the nice warm weather, and they all hate me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to move after this.
Good thing we're gonna have a van to live in.
I live in the van down by the river.
That's right. That's where we're headed. Chloe, where's Alexa?
Alexa's trying to find me.
Oh, you're playing hide and seek?
Found you. Don't shoot to the cat, remember? Slow.
Alright, are you gonna do the rest?
Sure. You trust me?
Sure.
Really?
It's actually kind of painful, so I'll do it.
Yeah, that's your excuse.
Yeah. No, seriously, all of the metal sparks that come off are super hot, and it's splattering you in the face with it.
I'm sorry, you need a face shield. You ready to have your first lesson in cutting and open a van?
Ouch!
Oh, be
What?
careful.
Are you bleeding?
A little bit. Alright. This is what you call clickbait. With both hands, hold on to this. Just put it in there like that. There.
Too heavy.
Oh, it's recording.
Oh.
I want to take a picture.
Thought it would drop.
I put it on the hinge.
Oh, nice. Was that on purpose?
Sure.
Oh, careful. You okay?
Yeah.
Just a second, Chloe.
It's not a lesson in how to do this safely.
Yeah, no. Don't do this at home.
Close enough.
So we are cleaning it up around, and we are going to get this window hung.
In theory.
In theory.
Or we'll drop it and it'll smash to a million pieces.
Don't
And
don't
then
invite that in.
It'll rain
Nope.
and the van will catch on fire.
Nope.
I'm not sure the order.
Don't invite that in. Do not invite that in. Here's the window. It's beautiful.
They don't really send instructions for this.
No, we just have to figure it out on our own. But look at this. Look how nice. You can see all the way through the van.
I gotta do the obligatory stick your head through the.
We got a hole in the van. It's getting real. It's getting real.
I guess that's it.
Did we do it?
I guess so. I don't know if you can see this, but I got blisters and burns all up and down my arm from cutting the metal out. I'm sure it's all over my face too. Alright, so now that the window is in, we can work on the shower. This window is actually kind of in my way for the shower installation. The shower is actually going to cover up a portion of the window, and then we will frame out the remaining portion of the window in wood. But now I've got some tricky measurements and design work to be able to fit the shower pan in and the plumbing in and all of that with the very limited space that we have to work with.
This is the hard way to better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way to better. We can't be heartache together.
So what makes this so fun is that you have to not only watch what's underneath the van as far as punching a hole for the plumbing there, but you also have to watch out for the roof because I need to be able to tap in and lock in a stud for the shower wall on either side, and I have to space everything perfectly just right. And I'm looking up for a diesel tank right about there, and diesel lines that run across, and it's kind of just this gigantic, messy puzzle. The shower in particular is probably the hardest thing to get in, at least in the design that I'm working with here. And to make matters worse, there's nothing anywhere that's level or anything that I can pull a tape measure off and actually trust it, because I'm actually sitting at a tilt. You can't trust anything anyways, because even the car is not actually level in certain spots, so it becomes a little tricky. But I've pulled or snapped a line here and then a line across the ceiling for what's the center, and then I'm working on getting my measurements off of that. Look how long my legs look with this wide angle lens. I'm so tall. And then I try to use this speed square to actually work off of the floor and hope that the floor is level. Always use construction adhesive. Much stronger than screws. But that also means you can't mess up. So if you measure wrong, you're out of luck. Speaking of which, probably should measure. Alright, so let me tell you your best friend when you're framing out a van where nothing is level, as mentioned. This guy right here. This is actually meant for cutting drywall, but it's kind of a gigantic 4-foot long square, T-square or whatever you want to call it. I don't know the terminology. And you can see when things are off level. See, I thought I had it level, but I was like 3 inches off. So that right there is the best method that I have found to seeing when things are actually square. Because the problem is that I'm going to eventually park someplace level, and I'll look at the shower and realize, oh, that was crooked. So hopefully this thing will save my butt.
We're hearing some thunder. What are we gonna do? Join us next time as we have a race against the weather to get 5 more windows installed. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss it.
Why is there a siren going off?